Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Your Holiness. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Oh. Thank you, thank you. So, now, last few days, you see many people, many occasions, happy birthday, happy birthday. Then I sort of was telling them, actually, new century, new decade, new year, new month, new day. So each day is new day, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
So now, you see, each day should use happy day. In order to use happy day, inner value is key factor, not the cake. A lot of anxiety, a lot of worry, a lot of stress. Then big birthday cake will not bring inner peace. So real inner peace, all have the potential, whether educated or uneducated, rich or poor, or this color or that color, believer or non-believer, no differences. We all have same potential. Please realize that. Keep self-confidence, more enthusiasm, optimistic is very, very important sort of factor for happy life. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Very, very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.